Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cordless miter saw is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop, offering unparalleled freedom and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend warrior, the ability to make precise cuts without being tethered to a power outlet is a game changer. Join me as we dive into the world of cordless miter saws, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the competition. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max * 7 to 1/4-inch Cordless Miter Saw. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max * Cordless Miter Saw. This saw is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers a blend of power, precision, and portability. Powered by a 20V Max * battery pack, it delivers impressive runtime. You can make approximately 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of 3 to 1/4 pine baseboard on average with one charge. The integrated cut line crosscut positioning system ensures accurate cuts every time. The adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. It has the capacity to cut 3/5/8 nested crown and 3/1/2 base vertically. The oversized bevel scale makes angle adjustments easy and accurate. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. The cam lock miter handle delivers quick and accurate miter angles. The precise miter system and machined base vent support optimized durability and cutting accuracy. This saw is built to last and deliver exceptional results. What we like. This miter saw features an integrated cut line system for precise cuts, ensuring accuracy every time. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. If you are looking for a reliable saw that offers both portability and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. I had purchased this saw for its portability and small size, and have fallen in love with its ability to precisely cut very small wood moldings. It's basically a 7/1/4-inch version of the popular 12 compound sliding miter. It's very easy and light to pack around, and I love the lighted line feature. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN V27 to 1/4-inch Cordless Sliding Miter Saw. This CRAFTSMAN miter saw boasts a powerful 3,800 RPM motor. It's designed to make cutting through dimensional lumber, hardwoods, and trim a breeze. With its sliding capabilities, the saw offers an 8-inch cross cut at 90 degrees and a 5 to 1/2-inch cross cut at 45 degrees. This allows you to tackle a variety of projects with ease. This miter saw can cut 3 to 5/8-inch nested crowns and 3 to 1/2-inch baseboards vertically. It's perfect for a wide range of applications. The saw features an LED cut line positioning system. This feature ensures accuracy and enhances visibility, making every cut precise. It includes 9 casted miter detent stops for quick and accurate adjustments. This feature allows for precise angles and repeatable cuts. On a single charge, it can make up to 585 cuts in 3 to 1/4-inch MDF baseboard. This ensures that you can work for extended periods without interruption. The lightweight design and side carry handles make it easy to transport. This makes it convenient to move around the job site. What we like. With its powerful motor, this saw effortlessly cuts through various materials. The sliding feature expands its cutting capacity, making it versatile for different projects. The LED cut line ensures accuracy and visibility. If you like a saw that combines power, capacity, and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. Plenty of power and will cut through a 2x6 no problem. It cuts super well, lasts as long as your workday. Lightweight, compact size, plenty of power, and a respected brand with customer support. Number 3. Makita XSL02Z 18V Cordless Miter Saw. Introducing the Makita XSL02Z, a powerful cordless miter saw. It features a brushless motor that delivers impressive cutting speed. This saw is designed for both power and ease of use. The XSL02Z boasts a motor that reaches 5,700 RPM, ensuring quick and efficient cuts. The automatic speed change feature adjusts the speed and torque. This allows the saw to handle various materials with ease. Weighing only 28.2 pounds, with a battery, it's easy to carry around. This makes it ideal for job sites or any project where portability is key. You can move it around without any hassle. This saw can handle large dimensional lumber. It can cut up to 2 by 12 at 90 degrees and 2 by 8 at 45 degrees. It's perfect for a wide range of cutting tasks. The 4-steel rail sliding system enhances rigidity, resulting in superior cuts. This feature ensures accuracy and extends the saw's lifespan. It's built to deliver consistent performance. What we like. This saw boasts a powerful motor for fast cutting, saving you valuable time on the job. Its lightweight design enhances portability, allowing you to move it around with ease. If you have large projects that require a wide cutting capacity and easy transport, you should consider this one. What people say. It cuts as smooth as glass. It is dead on square across its widest cutting range. These saws are nothing short of amazing. I can go on and on, but I recommend you get one and it will work well beyond your expectations. Number 2. Worx 20V Cordless Sliding Miter Saw. This Worx Nitro tool is engineered for greater power and performance. It also provides extended run time, allowing you to work longer on your projects. This sliding compound miter saw features a built-in lever. It holds the workpiece securely in place on both sides of the blade while cutting. Please note that the battery and charger are sold separately. For optimal runtime and performance, it is recommended to use PowerShare Pro batteries. The sliding miter saw blade housing provides an 8 to 1/4 inch maximum cutting capacity. It's perfect for various lumber types, making it versatile for different projects. It has a light-assisted shadow line. This feature ensures cutting accuracy, helping you achieve precise and clean cuts every time. An adjustable knob allows you to bevel the blade up to 45 degrees. This is perfect for making those perfect miter cuts. You can easily adjust the depth of cut. This is perfect for cutting dado slots, giving you more control over your cuts. What we like. This saw is engineered to provide greater power and performance. The built-in clamp securely holds your workpiece, ensuring safety and precision. The shadow line cut feature enhances cutting accuracy. If you are looking for a saw that prioritizes power, safety, and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. This is quite the handy saw for small jobs for light trim, work around windows and doors, even baseboard. I was very surprised how clean the cuts are made with the included saw blade. Battery lasted longer than I thought too. Number 1. BOSCH GCM 18V07SN14 PROFACTOR 18V Miter Saw Kit. This saw is a truly mobile job site solution. It provides a lightweight design without sacrificing professional-grade capacity, making it easy to move around. It delivers impressive cutting capabilities. This miter saw can handle 3 to 3/4 inches nested crown cuts and 8 to 1/4 inches crosscuts. Weighing only 26 pounds, tool only, it's easy to carry around. The built-in carry handle adds to its portability. The saw features a brushless high-performance motor. This technology is engineered to maximize the power from the core 18V high-power batteries. The included battery is compatible with other BOSCH 18V tools. It provides twice the runtime compared to the GBA 18V40 battery. This tool is designed for demanding applications. It delivers the power and runtime needed by PROFACTOR tools with biturbo brushless technology. It features high-power ion cells and cutting-edge battery design. The BOSCH exclusive CoolPack 2.0 technology provides advanced heat management. What we like. This saw delivers pro-level performance and capacity, making it suitable for demanding tasks. Its lightweight design and carry handle make it easy to transport. If you have professional projects and need a saw that combines power, capacity, and portability, you should consider this one. What people say. It is light and yet super accurate. Precise cuts, quiet, decent dust extraction. Very surprised how accurate it came out of the box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.